Reena, and today's topic is how to introduce the articles a and the step by steps to your tiny kids. Step number 1, write the articles a and the on a board or in a piece of paper or in a book. Step number 2, give an activity like this. Give a piece of newspaper, English newspaper or a page of magazine and ask them to circle all the article which they find in that. Once they complete the activity, make sure that they are thorough with the articles a and the. Now step number 3. Now it's time for us to introduce article a. A point to remember, since they are all tiny one, try to give a simple description with many examples.
Now, this is the description. If a word begins with consonant sound, we use the indefinite article a before it. Now, some examples for article a. The first word is pen. A word begins with consonant sound, so we should use a before it. The second word is box. A word begins with consonant sound, so we should use a before it. Now the third word is uniform. As I said already, we should not see the letter. It should begin with a consonant sound. So U is ya sound. So we use article a before it. Here we have some more examples for article a. That's a ball, a cap, a fan, a tree, a car.
Now we can introduce article and with a simple definition with many examples.
If a word begins with a vowel sound, we use the indefinite article and before it. Now we have some examples for article and. Here we have some words like apple, orange, elephant, ice cream. All these words begin with a vowel sound. So we should use the indefinite article and before it. The next one is R. The word starts with consonant letter, but here H is silent. So we should use the article and.
Now the last and fifth step is introduction of article the.
Use the with any noun when the meaning is specific. When the noun names the only one of a kind. For example, sun, moon, earth, sky, all these nouns are very unique one. So we should use article the before it.
So friends, just try this method with your kids and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.